Life has a strange way of testing us when we least expect it. One moment, everything feels under control. In the next, chaos enters through stress, loss, rejection, or uncertainty, leaving us mentally exhausted and emotionally reactive. But centuries ago, Seneca, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, discovered powerful principles to remain calm, strong, and centered even when the world feels overwhelming. And today these lessons are more relevant than ever. The first lesson Seneca teaches us is the power of focus. When your mind is scattered across endless tasks, worries, and distractions, you lose clarity and inner peace. So instead of multitasking, Stoicism encourages deep focus on one thing at a time. Because when your attention is fully present, your work improves and your mind becomes quieter. The second lesson is mastering impulses. Because most suffering doesn't come from events themselves, but from our emotional reactions to them. And Stoicism doesn't ask you to suppress emotions, but to understand them, question them, and respond rationally, reminding us that true freedom begins when we stop being slaves to anger, fear, and desire. The third lesson is mental preparation for adversity, known as premeditatio malorum, where you calmly imagine potential challenges, not to scare yourself, but to reduce shock and build readiness. Because when you accept that difficulties are a part of life, setbacks lose their power to break you. The fourth lesson is embracing voluntary discomfort, which may sound uncomfortable, but Seneca believed that choosing small hardships, like discipline, effort, or stepping outside your comfort zone, builds resilience, confidence, and inner strength, making real-life struggles easier to handle. The fifth lesson focuses on perception and avoiding a victim mindset, as Seneca famously warned that we suffer more in imagination than in reality, meaning our thoughts often create pain far greater than the situation itself. And when you stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start asking, "What can this teach me?" you reclaim control over your life and responses. The sixth and final lesson is the importance of solitude and self-reflection. Because in a noisy, fast-paced world, constant stimulation disconnects us from our inner voice. And Stoicism teaches that spending time alone allows you to reflect, realign with your values, and strengthen your mind, not as an escape from life, but as preparation to face it with clarity and purpose. Together, these Stoic lessons form a powerful mindset, not promising an easy life, but offering the tools to handle life wisely, calmly, and courageously. So if you apply even one of these principles daily, you'll notice a shift in how you react, think, and live, because mental toughness isn't built by avoiding problems, but by training the mind to rise above them. If this video helped you gain a new perspective, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which Stoic lesson impacted you the most. And remember, true strength begins within.